I have a Hilti concrete saw that won't start. I've replaced the carburetor. It seems to have good spark.
Do you know the model of your Hilti concrete saw? How old is it?
DSH 700X.
How long has this been going on with your Hilti concrete saw? What have you tried so far?
About 1 month ago, my friend asked me to look at it. I've cleaned the air filter, changed the spark plug, and replaced the carburetor electronic.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
He said it would start with one pull, then got harder to start, eventually wouldn't start.
Hello, did you check the compression? It should be at least 120 psi.
I haven't.
What color was the old plug?
I replaced the plug. The old one looks like it has been gas fouled. I checked compression, it's 125. Black. You still there?
Maybe the engine is flooded. Remove plug. If wet, shake it and set on a napkin to dry. With the switch off and no choke, turn saw plug hole down and pull rope several times to see if gas blows out. Reinstall plug. Try starting no choke or prime and full throttle. Could also be a fuel problem. Drain fuel into a clear container and check for water and dirt.
I got the saw to run. Thanks for your help. Will I be unsubscribe if I just text stop?
You're welcome. Contact cust support.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.